Another tiny house tour from Tiny Industrial. This is the latest build, the Forevergreen 2. There's been pictures of it on social media. Now the full video tour. Stick around, here it is. So this particular build features it's built on a 6.5 by 10 foot utility trailer. Features all the usual things that I'd like to include in my Gypsy wagon builds. That would be the aluminum roof. I tend to do a lot of cedar trim. And the trailer always is a high-end, large 15-inch rim, the big wheels, 3,000 pound axle, 2-inch ball at the front here. And you might notice some additional equipment. This particular trailer happens to be equipped with some electric brakes. The reason is the customer has a tow vehicle where the weight of this is not really approaching their tow capacity, but definitely more than 50% of their tow capacity. For safety's sake, I always suggest getting some brakes on the trailer in that case. And what that does is it helps the tow vehicle not have to manage all the braking aspects of slowing down this amount of weight behind you. The unit does feature an air conditioning unit, currently covered with a garbage bag. That's what I tend to do to keep dust and dirt out of there while I'm traveling with it. Another feature that is kind of unusual and I have never done before is a set of shutters. So each of these 6 side windows has a shutter with a latch to close while traveling so that they don't flap around in the breeze. But it's a nice privacy feature, helps keep some of the sun out of there. And speaking of sun, it is brutally hot. Yeah, it's that hot. I am in Missouri and there is a lot of heat here. We have a 100-watt solar panel on the roof, which routes in right there. And always the large window in the front for egress purposes. That's pretty much it for the exterior. Here you can see where the power entry point is. That is where you tap into your external power. You plug that in via an extension cord and it gets you power on the inside to your 110 outlets. Nice decorative touch. The original Evergreen had that too. We've got the planters back here. We've got the Dutch door, split Dutch door. That's always a nice thing to have. And the Dutch door in this case has an additional window in it. Sometimes I build them without windows, sometimes I do with. The back extensions of the roofing beams have been Shishugyo bond. You can see that there. Alright, so moving on to the inside here. Just a quick overview. We've got a kitchen with an electric water pump faucet. There is a 3-gallon reservoir down there. You see the pump, and the water simply drains to the exterior. No need for a gray water tank when you're just brushing your teeth or rinsing out a coffee cup. We've got a little triangular corner shelf. Ceiling is plywood. It houses 4 recessed lights that run off of battery backup power. So those are functional. We've got the black walnut table. Always try to do live edge there. And then we've got the tobacco acacia flooring, which is also very nice. The boat mount table mount, you can pull that whole thing out. And then we've got a seating area over here with ample storage underneath. The AC unit over here is a 5000 BTU standard window unit that I integrate into the walls. And then we've got another black walnut bedside table here. Now the bed platform houses a full-size mattress. You could put a queen in here. It takes up a little bit extra room, but full-size I find is amply sufficient in terms of, allowing 2 people to sleep comfortably in here. And then of course you've got a small shelf over here with little shelf guard edges to keep things from flying around. The countertop in the kitchen is a teak wood countertop. And in total, the structure has, let's see, how many windows is it? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 windows? Yeah, 10 windows and 65 square feet. That's one window for every 6.5 square feet, which is pretty awesome. Anyway, there's the back of the Dutch door. Yeah, these are all labors of love for me. I try to make them unique each and every time, although this is a bit of a duplicate of a previous build. That window right there has a screen, and it does open up, and like I said on the exterior part of the tour, it is a means of egress. Now, you've got the bed platform right there. Has a ton of space under it. You can fit all kinds of stuff under there. There's currently a spare tire, and that is about all I can manage for now because I am friggin' melting. All right, so tinyindustrial.com is the website. You can find out more there. Follow me on Instagram at tinyindustrial, and of course YouTube. Hit subscribe to see more builds like this. The ceiling color, by the way, is called Chopped Dill, and the white in here is called Whisper White. All right, that's about it. So thanks for following along, and we'll see you with the next build. Take care.